Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by placing the mum where it will get 6-8 hours of sun, ideally morning light. This sets blooms up to open well. Prepare soil by loosening 12-18 in and mixing in 20-30% compost to improve drainage and nutrients. As soon as you plant or pot, cut the main stem to 2-4 inches to force lateral shoots. This is how you get a dense, bushy plant rather than a single tall stalk. Once done, water thoroughly to settle soil. You plant the mum with the crown at soil level, not deeper, because burying invites rot. Set plants 18-24 inches apart to allow airflow and prevent mildew. If in rows, stagger them for a fuller effect. After planting, water at the soil until moist, about 1-1.5 inches weekly depending on rain, and apply 1-2 inches of mulch to retain moisture and suppress weeds. Make sure to check daily for the first week, so roots establish without drying out. You pinch back the growing tips every 2-3 weeks until mid-July to promote branching and more blooms. Once you stop pinching, buds will form. Feed with a balanced 10-10-10 fertilizer every 4-6 weeks through summer to support flower set, and deadhead spent blooms to prolong display. If leaves yellow, check drainage and scale back watering. Yellowing is usually from too much water or compacted soil rather than nutrients. Finally, cut plants to the ground after frost for tidy spring regrowth.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.